Welcome back everybody, and let's get started on our maths learning for today. So, for starters, can you find the number track on the screen in front of you? And can you get your pointy finger out? And can you put your finger on the number that we've been practicing this week? Where is it? Where is it? Have you got it? Have you found it? Well done. We've been thinking about number 6 this week, haven't we? Number 6. Okay. Keep your finger on number 6 and then have a look on your number track and see if you can tell me which number comes after number 6. So which number is one more? If we move along 1 on our number track, what number do we get to? We get to number 7. Well done. 7 is one more than 6. 6, 7. Well done. Back to number 6 then with that pointy finger. And this time, can you tell me which number comes before our number 6? So which number is one less? One less than 6. What is it? It's number 5. Well done. If we had 6 and we took 1 away, we'd have 5. Good job. Now, for our warm-up today, we're going to be thinking about one of these. What's one of these called? Well done. This is a dice. And we use these lots and lots, don't we, when we play games. Now, on each part of our dice, we've got a different number. It starts with 1, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one we have is a 6, isn't it? Now, a dice is a really good place for us to start with our subitizing. Can you remember what that clever mathsy word means? Well done. Gosh, that's so clever. It's when we look at something and we know how much there is without counting, okay? Now, our dice faces are our very first steps of subitizing, because this is where we learn to look at something and just remember, oh, that one's a 1, or I remember that pattern, that one's a 5. So to get us warmed up today, we're going to see how quickly we can recognise the different faces on a dice. Now, have a click through the cards and you've got a different dice face for each card. Have a look at it and see if you can tell me how many is on there without counting. Now, if you're not sure and you do need to count, that's absolutely fine. But what we're going to do is we're going to practice a little bit each day or a few times a week, and hopefully we'll get so whizzy that you'll be able to say 5 as soon as you see it, or you'll be able to say 3 as soon as you see it without having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to try and be able to say how much there is just by looking, okay? Go and have a first go and see how you get on. And if you find that there's one that you get stuck on, you can practice and practice and practice. Because remember, everything gets easier the more we practice it. Off you go. Have a look at the dice faces. Or if you've got a dice at home and you want to play a game with your grown-up, you could play it with a real dice, roll it, and see who can shout out the number on the dice quickest. And then have another go and see who can shout it out the quickest that time. Okay, off you go, and I'll see you back here in a minute for your next mathsy job.